car's like fucking easy as shit. I'm powerful to be fucking fair, like. Considering we just bought it, like.
Mm-hmm.
Haha, slow ass cars. I don't get it. Why is so slow ass fucking cars going in this race if they know they got a slow fucking car?
Oh no, it's the AIs. It's just the fact that because it's a low level race at the minute.
It's still
I'm
a
only
fucking
doing it-
slow ass car.
I'm only doing it for money. I'm going to make the rest of the car look better. I'm just fucking spoiling shit.
Yeah, we do need to change that, to be fair.
And the back wheel as well.
Yeah, back wheels definitely do. They need to match the front wheels.
Exactly.